Welcome. If you're looking to add a new admin to your Telegram group using the Telegram app on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, the process is simple and only takes a few moments. Let's walk through each step together so you can empower your group with more management help. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, from your chat list, find and open the group where you're already an admin. Only admins have the ability to add new administrators, so double-check your role if you're unsure. Once you're inside your group chat, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see 3 dots. Click on them to open a drop-down menu. From the list of options, select Manage Group. This will take you to the group's settings, where you can control everything from permissions to group info. Inside the Manage Group menu, look for the Administrators section. Click on it to see a list of current admins. At the bottom of this window, you'll find the Add Administrator button. Click on it to continue. Now, you'll see a list of all group members. Scroll through and choose the person you want to promote to admin. Click on their name to select them. After selecting the member, you'll be able to set their admin permissions. Telegram lets you customize what each admin can do, such as deleting messages, banning users, pinning messages, and more. Adjust these settings according to your needs. When you're satisfied with the permissions, simply click Save to confirm. That's it. Your chosen member is now an admin and can help you manage the group more efficiently. Adding admins is a great way to keep your community organized and active. With these quick steps, you can delegate tasks and make your Telegram group even better. Thanks for following along, and enjoy managing your group with your new team.